Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Wave motion part 3 characteristics of wave. First, these are 12 types. These are 12 types amplitude, and first type is amplitude and wavelength and frequency, time period, wave pulse and wave train, wave function and harmonic wave and next differential forms of wave equation, angular wave numbers or propagation constant, next wave velocity, phases. These are the 12 types of characteristics of waves. First is amplitude. Amplitude, maximum displacement of a vibrating particle of the medium at mean position. Maximum displacement of a particle of a vibrating particle of a medium has mean position. Mean position is called as amplitude. Next, second one is wavelength. Wavelength is lambda. It is equals to the distance traveled by the wave during the time in which any one particle of the medium completes one vibration only. Otherwise, or short form of this short definition is distance traveled by wave in one time period. This definition is fully enlarged definition is it is equals to the distance traveled by the wave during the time in which any one particle of the medium completes one vibration about its mean position, and or shortcutly distance traveled by the wave in one time period is called as wavelength, or it is a distance between the same phase. It is a distance between the same phase. Here the diagram is compression, thrust and trough. Crust, trough. Here lambda wavelength, here is wavelength. The wavelength means distance between the two troughs and distance between the two troughs. Here distance between the compression and rarefaction. This compression, rarefaction and compression, rarefaction. Here distance between the compression is lambda and distance between rarefaction is lambda. Okay, here this is a compression and this is rarefaction. This is compression and rarefaction. Crust, trough. These distances is called as lambda. Okay, in MCET characteristics also very useful, and this is the most theoretical topic. You must learn easily with your IP based also. This is frequency. Next one is frequency is equals to mu or n. Frequency of vibration particle is defined as the number of vibrating completed by the particle in 1 second. Number of vibrations per 1 second. Its units is hertz. hertz, hz, units. Next, fourth one is time period. Time period of a vibration particle defined as the time taken by particle completely vibration about its main position, or it is the time taken by the wave traveling. Time is equals to time period is equals to 1 by frequency is equals to 1 by n or mu. 1 by mu, time taken per one or the wave traveling in distance equals to the one wavelength, 1 lambda. Wave pulse, it is a short. Fifth one is wave pulse. It is a short wave producing in a medium when it is disturbed. Short wave. What is short wave? Short wave producing in the medium disturbed. Disturbance created at short time. Here this is a graph to wave pulse, and sixth one is wave train. Sixth one is wave train. A series of wave pulse is called as wave train. It is a series of wave pulse. A series of wave pulse is called as wave train. Wave train means the series means here. This is the series. This is also known as wave train. The series of the first wave pulse only. The series of wave pulse. The mixing of wave pulse is called as wave train. Okay, next seventh one is wave function. Okay, wave function is a mathematically described one. Okay, this is a large one. It is a mathematically described of the disturbance created by the wave. It is a string wave displacement, and sound waves is a pressure and the density of a fluctuated length light waves, and it is an electromagnetic wave. Okay, and it is a dimensional. It is a one-dimensional wave x-axis and two-dimensional wave y-axis. It is equilibrium position in x-axis is displaced through the y-axis is perpendicular to the x-axis. In case of y is a position of it, and y is equals to, here is a function of a y is equals to f of x comma t is a function. This is called as wave function simply. And here we have the equation of a distance x and time t. Here we have a formula x naught is equals to x minus vt, and that is represented in the functional y is equals to f of vt. X minus vt. This is a full form. Okay, this is shortly known as wave function. And here next one is harmonic motion. Okay, next eighth one is harmonic wave. It is a traveling wave is sine or cos of x plus r minus vt. Wave is said as a harmonic or a plane process wave. Next ninth one is a differential forms of wave. equation, wave equation. This is the differential form of wave equation. Okay, here what is the differential form of wave equation means? Here we have that all traveling waves all satisfy the differential equation form. All waves satisfy which form? Differential equation form. Differential equation form. Okay, next it is given by the formula is V is equals to W by K, and this formula is represented by rho square y by dou square y by dou t square is equals to V square dou square y by x square. Differentiation of here d square y by dt square is equals to V square into d square y by dy square, dx square, similar to d. Differentiation. Next 10th one is angular wave number. Angular wave number K is equals to 2 pi by lambda. What is here the number of wavelengths at distance is 2 pi. Distance is 2 pi is called as wave numbers or propagation constant. K is equals to 2 pi into lambda. Next 11th one is wave velocity. Next one is wave velocity. Et is the distance travelled by the disturbance of 1 second time. It only depends on the properties of the medium and independent on its position, time and position. It is dependent on the properties. It is depend on properties of medium, independent of time and position. Okay, this is the formula. V is equals to n lambda is equals to lambda by t is equals to omega lambda by 2 pi. 2 pi is the distance, omega constant, and lambda is equals to wavelength, omega by k. Okay, next 12th one, phase. What is phase? What is phase means it is a given state of a vibration of a particle at instant time regarding to the position of a direction of motion, and its value is equals to theta is equals to omega t plus or minus kx. It is angular displacement, mean position, angular displacement and mean position. Next, it is a shape of it. Phase constant is a shape of wave and has a shape of wave and remains constant. Shape of wave and remains constant. Okay, this is all about the characteristics of a wave, and these has a 4 types. These has a mainly 12 types of these: amplitude and wavelength, and frequency, time period, wave pulse and wave train, and wave forms, and wave pulse and harmonic waves, and all the differential equations of a wave, angular velocity, angular wave number, and wave velocity and phases. These are the 12 types. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Super Srinivas. Subscribe to our channel.